This is Isabella. 3 months. Look at the doggies. Say hi. Standing on your own. Well, not really, but still. Oh! Is that comfortable? Is that Dolce? Say hi, Dolce. Dolce, give Bella kisses. Come here. Come here. Say hi to Bella. Say hi, Bella. Come on, give her kisses. Good girl. Bo, come here. Come. Come.
Say, Mama, wipe my face.
Where are we going? Where are we going? Let's see how well you are with your head now. She's staring at the dogs. She giggled a little bit ago, but we missed it. We didn't move that fast. Roll over! Woo! Is that it? Oh! Is that it? Yee! Where you going? Where you going? Are you mad? You're in a mad mood now. What? You want to stand up?
Bella.
Swing.
Bella.
I want to get to the swing. Okay, say bye. Bye. Bye-bye.